Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to contact Revolut customer support via chat. The first thing I want you to do is just launch up your Revolut app, and then all you want to do is just come to the top left, click on your profile icon, and then I want you to just scroll down here until you see help. Okay, I want you to tap on help. They'll ask you, what can we help you with today? So click here, get more help and contact us. Okay, tap on this and it'll ask you what you need help with. You can choose whatever is applicable for you. For example, I'll choose cards. I'll ask you what your issue is. Okay, so here under help with something else, go ahead and scroll down until you see more help with whatever you had selected. Okay, go ahead and tap on that. They'll ask you what your issue is. Just tap here again, help with something else, and then you'll see here, I need more help. Click here on chat with us. You'll be able to chat with their customer support of Revolut. Really that easy. If you found this helpful, make sure you smash that like button. Subscribe to App Mentor.